In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record, track, and process purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. Purchase orders, or POs, are your formal request to a vendor for items or services, and they help you lock in quantities, prices, and delivery details before a bill ever arrives. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, accurate PO and set yourself up for smooth tracking and processing later on. First, head to QuickBooks Online and open your company. Give yourself a moment to land on the main dashboard so everything loads fully. If you use multiple companies, double-check you're in the correct one before you start. This avoids creating a PO in the wrong books and keeps your vendor balances accurate. Next, use the Create icon, the plus or New button, to start a new purchase order. You'll find it in the main toolbar. Choose Purchase Order from the list. If you don't see it, your company may have purchase orders turned off. In that case, check with your administrator to enable the feature in settings so it appears in this menu. Now begin entering the details. Select the vendor you're ordering from, confirm the vendor's address, and update it if needed so the document shows the right information. Choose your ship to location, especially if you receive at a warehouse or different office. Set the PO date and, if you track timelines, add an expected delivery date to help your team stay aligned. If your company uses location, class, or tags, apply them now for cleaner reporting later. Add your line items. Choose the correct product or service for each line. Add a clear description. Enter the quantity you expect to receive and confirm the rate. Watch the amounts calculate and make sure tax is applied correctly based on your purchasing rules. If you categorize purchases by account instead of using items, add those under category details with clear descriptions. Use the memo or message fields to capture instructions like preferred packaging, delivery notes, or reference numbers. You can also attach quotes or vendor confirmations so everything lives with the PO. Take a second to review the subtotal, any discount, tax, and the total before you finalize. QuickBooks will assign a PO number, but you can edit it to match your internal sequence if needed. When everything looks right, click Save. Your purchase order is now recorded and open, ready to track. You can monitor status from your purchase order list and keep an eye on what's outstanding. Later, when goods arrive and a bill comes in, simply link that bill to this PO so quantities and costs stay in sync and the PO can close. That's all there is to it. Clean, consistent purchase orders that make receiving and billing straightforward.